I just want to remind you that for the next part, I need you to have a pencil. You have to have something to write with. I know that we've been doing a lot on the Chromebooks, but for today, I need you to have something to write with. So if you don't, you can ask. You can ask the teacher that's in for me for the pencil. You know they're up front, in the front of the classroom. So just to kind of recap, we've done the pre-read task, where we thought about different things that connected to sports fans to kind of get our appetite ready for the meal of reading the actual article. And then we also did pre-read vocabulary, because these are words that are going to show up in the article, and we have to have an understanding of what they mean so that we can better understand the article that we're reading. Duh. And next up, I almost forgot. You also had some vocab practice that you worked on, so you should have completed that at this point. And now is the exciting part, because we're just getting ready to actually read the article. And I'm excited about this article. It's an interesting topic that I think that you can connect with, and some of it might surprise you. I know that some of it surprised me when I read it. So we're going to get on to the active reading part. So this is the during reading task. So while you are reading this piece, I'm going to stop you about 3 times. I'm going to stop you about 3 times. And at certain points, I'll just say stop and think along. And what you can do is you can look at the list of think-alongs that's right next to the Parker P Symbol Challenge. It says active reading think-alongs, but I know that a lot of you have memorized those think-alongs and you have them in your head already. But that's a resource for you if you need it. And don't forget that if you're doing a think-along, you always add the magic word because. Because that allows you to support what it is that you're thinking. So I want some evidence. So if you say that you think something, you found something out, you wonder something, you predict something, you predict it because in the text it states. All right, so I want you to get really used to that support and evidence for your thinking. All right. Up next is the actual article.